Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge two branches. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically to merge any branches, you will be needing just to simply create merge requests. And basically here, I'm just going to any repository. So I'm just going to click on repositories and let's go for this one. And basically, I will be needing to have many branches and we need just to create a new branch, and let's just create a new branch, for example test or branch here, and basically it will be created from this branch. And let's do some changes. So I'm just going to minpy, and from here I will just edit file, and I'm just going to add another thing, and I will commit the changes. Of course, I will need to commit directly to this branch and commit changes, and now it will be showing me a merge request here in the code. So as you can see, now I can compare and create a pull request. So I can just go and compare, and from here we will be needing to merge. So as you can see, now it is able to merge. So you can just compare between the main and test, and as you can see we have an additional file or additional characters, and it is just comparing, and it is in the same line since we just added it in the same line. Now we will just create a pull request in merge. So here we can simply click on create pull request, and after that we will be able to merge. So now a pull request has been added. Now we can merge this pull request, and we will have confirm merge, and now we have our pull requests that have been merged. And basically now we can simply go to our main, and we go to the main file. As you can see, we have the changes applied. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.